Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a quick and easy stir fry that you can serve alongside just about any Asian dish, or even toss some tofu through it and serve it on its own as a main course with rice. I love choy some, but you could use bok choy, gai lan, any of the Asian greens. All I'm going to do is pull the leaves off the main stem. We'll get rid of any that look a bit too chewed up, like that one. The thick stems, I'm just going to give them a bit of a slice through so that they're going to cook in the same time as the leaves. And once this is all done, I'll give it a quick wash, a spin dry because I don't want it to be too wet when it hits the wok, and we'll get cooking. The only other things we need to worry about are some onion. I like red onion for this. It's nice and sweet, but if all you have is brown or white onion, by all means use that. If it's a nice small onion like this, you can use the whole one. If it's a larger onion, just use half. And if you don't have onion, you could use green onion, or shallots, scallions as some people call them. And the way I like to cut onion for a stir fry is in very thin slithers. So cut it in half, and then just like this. So we've got long thin strips that are going to fry quickly in that wok. Can be a bit tricky to get that last part done, but there we go. Okay, some grated ginger, some crushed garlic, and some of this gorgeous smoky Mega Chef oyster sauce. It is worth seeking out the Mega Chef brand. A lot of oyster sauces don't contain any oysters. They're just corn flour and MSG. This one's actually got real oysters in it, and it's cooked in such a way over a fire that it has a lovely smoky flavour. So leave out the ginger, leave out the garlic, leave out the onion, make it your own, but really throw in some of this oyster sauce. Okay, I'm going to wash this. We can get to the stove and get cooking. Now for this, we want our wok good and hot. And I can see that that's just starting to smoke. In with our oil, in with our onion. We're going to cook that just for a couple of minutes, depends on the heat of your wok, until it starts to just colour lightly. That's been a couple of minutes. It depends how dark you like your onions. I like a little bit of charring because it adds a nice bitter note. I've washed my choy some, but I didn't wash the flowers because I was worried they'd get damaged in the spinning. But I washed all the leaves and the stems. In they go now. In goes our ginger, garlic and oyster sauce. And we're just going to toss that for another minute or so, just until those stems are tender. And so here we have it, our stir-fried choy sum with oyster sauce, ginger, garlic and red onion. Yum, yum. As I said, I'm happy to eat this on its own with rice or with a bit of tofu tossed through it. Otherwise, alongside just about any Asian dish. Yum. Enjoy.